What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to post an Instagram story from your computer. This might be particularly useful for those who manage business accounts or prefer the editing capabilities of their computer for creating more polished content. Plus, it's a great workaround if your phone is ever out of reach or charging. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Instagram's official website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice that while Instagram allows you to browse your feed, like, comment, and even create new posts or live videos directly from the web, it doesn't offer an option to post stories. To bypass this limitation, we'll need to switch to the mobile version of Instagram right from your desktop browser. And this is where the magic of developer tools comes in. Press Ctrl, Shift and I on your keyboard to open developer tools in your desktop browser. This panel might look intimidating at first with its codes and tabs, but don't worry, we are focusing on just one simple feature. Look for the Toggle Device Emulation icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the Developer Tools bar. It resembles a tablet and a phone. Clicking on this button will switch your browser view to emulate a mobile device. After enabling the device emulation, the web page might not immediately reflect the mobile layout, so go ahead and refresh the page. Once refreshed, you'll notice that the interface changes to resemble the mobile app experience, complete with the ability to swipe between stories at the top and view your feed in a single column layout. Most importantly, you'll now see the plus icon available at the top right, which allows you to post stories. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.